Hi, Belle. Good afternoon, Belle. Are you okay?
Yes,
Oh, yes, you are. That is good to know, Belle. What did you do in the morning?
I study math.
Oh, okay. Is math difficult, Belle?
Yes,
Yes, it is. What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject, Belle? Do you like English the most?
English.
Yes. Okay. What is the most difficult subject?
English.
It's math.
Yes.
Oh, it's math. Okay. So now let me share my screen, Belle. And for today, we'll have the continuation of our topic. And we are already in what? Okay, 42. 42 of your workbook. Okay, so we're already in here. Now, Belle, can you tell me what is it?
A skirt.
Yes, very good. It's a skirt. Next one now. What is it?
A cat.
Okay, it's a hat. Next one. We have
It is a shoes.
very good. It's shoes. Okay, what about these?
It is a sneeze.
Trainers. Okay, so these are trainers. Well, trainers. Okay. Now, what about this? What is it?
It's a pants.
Okay, yes, it's pants. And the last one, well,
It's a it's a sweater.
very good. Okay, it's a sweater. Can you tell me what is he wearing? He
He
is
wear
wearing.
he wearing shorts.
Okay, yes, very good. Well, okay, let us draw shorts in. He's wearing shorts. There you have it. Now, let us proceed here. Okay, so can you tell me the missing letters here, Belle? Okay, you can write it.
Okay.
Is it just that? Okay, yes, we have a brush. Okay, brush. Next one.
Uh, okay.
Okay, yes. It's hmm?
Lip.
No, it's not glib. It's a crib. It's a crib. A crib.
Um,
Crib.
yeah.
Okay, yes, it's a crib. It's two. Now, what about three? Three, we have. What is it? Is it flub? Is it flub? Is it flub? Okay, you are not sure? You are not sure. Okay, so let me show it to you again. Then, okay, we have black blob. clock, clam, flag, fly, brush, bread, crib, crayon, frog, friend. Okay, let us answer that one again. Okay, so we have here brush, crib. What about this one? Brush, crib.
Block.
Okay, yes, very good. Blob, blob. What about?
Friend.
Yes, that's right. Friend. What about five?
Clock.
Okay, clam. And the last one we have,
Fly.
yes, very good. Bell, we have fly. Thank you, Bell. Now let us proceed to this one. This blank is a blank. What is your answer here? Okay, we have here the word bank.
This crayon is
Okay, is this crayon is this? Okay, yes, very good. Bell, this crayon is black. Now, what about for two?
the frog is under the clock.
Okay, yes, very good. The frog is under the clock. Last one, Bell.
The flag
Okay.
is on the bread.
Okay, yes, very good. Great job, Belle. Very smart. So now, since we're done with that one, real quick, let us proceed to another topic. Okay, we have here actions, and you know this very well already. I believe so. Now, can you tell me what is he doing, Belle?
He he is read.
Okay, can after is After is R and Bell, you are going to add ing. Okay, so he is reading. Okay, he is reading. What is she doing, Belle?
She drawing. She is drawing.
Okay, is she drawing or writing?
Drawing.
She is writing, Belle. She is writing. Okay, she is writing. Now, again, wait, what about him? What is he doing?
He is drawing.
Very good. What is she doing?
She she is talking.
Very good. What's he doing?
He he is he is
Okay,
singing.
singing. Okay, very good. The last one is what is she doing?
She is dancing.
Great job, Abel. Thank you. Now let us have this listen and number the correct picture,
Page
Belle.
44. B. Listen and number. 1,
I can sing. La 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 la.
Okay, I can sing. Who can sing? Who can sing? Wait, what is VN? What is VN? I can sing. Who can
Is
sing?
is
Can you number one? Oh, Vietnam. Okay, Vietnam. Okay, I can sing. Okay, very good, Belle.
2,
Can you dance? Yes, I can.
Okay, who can dance? Who can dance, Belle? Okay, yes, very good.
3,
I'm hungry. Me too.
Okay, who are hungry?
I don't know.
I'm hungry. Me too. We have two children talking, right? I'm hungry. Me too. What about you, Belle? Are you hungry, Belle?
No,
Oh, no, you're not. Okay,
I think.
good. What did you eat, Belle?
4,
Excuse me. Please don't
But
talk.
Oh,
Sorry.
okay. What about for that one, Belle? Excuse me, please don't talk. I'm sorry. Who said that? Okay, yes, very good.
5,
I can draw. Look. Orange and pink flowers.
Okay, I can draw. Is it that one, Belle? I can draw pink and orange flowers. Okay, yes, that is right. Oh, wait, why are you answering six here already?
6,
What about you, Mike? I can write in my new notebook. M
Okay,
I K E.
Mike can write in his new notebook. Okay, so that is six. Where is Mike? Mike is writing in his new notebook. Okay, yes. And the last one, of
Good
course, that would
job.
be seven.
7.
Okay, that is
Please read
correct.
this.
Sure, Mom. This is a good book.
Okay, so that is it, Belle. So now, since we're done with this, let us proceed to this one. Okay, what are you doing? I'm reading. What's he or she doing? He's or she's reading. Okay, now can you tell me, Belle, what are you doing?
I'm reading.
Very good. What's he doing?
He's writing.
Very good. What's she doing?
She 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 drawing.
Very good. What are you doing?
I'm I'm talk.
Talk,
I'm talking.
talking. Okay, what's he doing?
He he's singing.
What are you doing?
I'm dancing.
Great job, Belle. Now let us have a more of that activity, okay? What are you doing?
She she reading.
Okay, yeah, she is reading. What are you doing?
She talk.
Okay, she is talking. What are you doing?
He writing.
Okay, I am writing. What are you doing?
Dancing.
What's he doing?
He's singing.
What's she doing?
He's drawing.
Great job. Can you draw, Belle? Can you draw?
Yes, I can.
Oh, yes, definitely you can. Now, what is she doing, Belle? Can you encircle your answers? Okay, very good. A draw. What about the next one? Okay, draw, talk, write. Okay, yes, very good. Read. Okay, yes, there you have it. Well, very good for that one. Now let us have this. Okay, now we have to complete it. What is she doing, Belle?
He dancing.
Very good. Okay, so it's dance. What about for him? Okay, what's he doing?
He drawing.
Very good. Okay, draw. Okay, three. What is he doing?
He sing.
Okay, yes. Sing. For Belle.
She talking.
Okay, very good. Top. And what about her? What is she doing?
She read.
Okay, she is reading or read. Okay, and the last one?
He write.
Okay, yes, it's right. That's correct, Belle. So now let us have the next one. Okay, connected, Belle. He's or she's singing or dancing. Okay, can you do it? Okay, yes, very good. He's dancing. He, he's dancing. He. What is your answer? Is it isn't or is?
Wait for me.
Okay, yes, he isn't. Okay, yes, very good. He isn't singing. Okay, that's right. I'm drawing. I'm not writing. Great job. Last one, Belle. Okay, she is reading. She isn't talking. Very good. That's correct, Belle. All accurate answers, Belle. Now let us have this one. Tell me your answer, okay? What are you doing?
Dance.
I'm I'm Dan.
I'm dancing.
Great job. Okay, I'm dancing. Now, what's he?
Doing.
Okay, what's he doing, Belle?
He's singing.
Okay, very good. And the last one?
What 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 is she what she doing?
Okay, what's she doing?
She drawing.
Okay, yes, she is a drawing. Very good. Okay, so now I believe you know this topic very well, so we'll not have the grammar animations. Instead, we'll proceed to another topic. Okay, so we have here more actions, Belle. Okay, can you tell me what's she doing, Belle?
She eating.
Very good. What she doing?
He drinking.
What she doing?
He sleeping.
What's he doing?
He playing.
Very good. Okay, what about you? What are you doing now? What are you doing now, Belle? What are you doing? You can say, I'm learning. I'm learning English. Okay, I'm learning English. Now in here, Belle, you have to tell me what they are doing. Okay, is it we're eating or they're eating? Okay, so now can you tell me what are you doing?
Where? We're eating.
Okay, yes, that's correct. We're eating. What are they doing?
They.
They're
They're. They're.
they're
Eating.
eating. Okay, what are they? What are you doing?
Where? Where? We're playing.
Very good. Okay, now what are they doing?
They're playing.
Okay, they're playing. That's correct, Belle. Now let us have another set of activity. Okay, can you tell me what are you doing?
They're eating.
We're, Belle. What are you doing? We're eating. Okay, we're eating. Now, what about for the next one? What are you doing?
Where? We're. We're playing.
Very good. What are they doing?
We're sleeping.
Okay, they're sleeping. What are they doing?
They're drinking.
Very good. They're drinking. Okay. So now let us have a singing activity. Belle with a title. What are you doing? Okay, let us sing this
Page
one.
47. D. Sing. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I am playing. I'm not sleeping. I'm playing now.
What are
What
they
are you
doing?
doing?
They
They
are
are
eating.
eating.
They
They
are
are
drinking.
drinking.
They're
They're
eating
eating
now.
now.
What are you
What are you
doing?
doing?
I
I
am
am.
playing. I'm
I'm
not
not
sleeping.
sleeping.
I'm
I'm
playing
playing
now.
now.
What are
What
they
are you
doing?
doing?
They
They
are
are
eating.
eating.
They
They
aren't
aren't
drinking.
drinking.
They're
They're
eating
eating
now.
now. Okay, so that would be all. Let's add next one, Belle. Okay, you have to find these words. Sleep, drink, play, and eat. Vietnam, Vietnam, Vietnam. Okay, can you encircle these words, Belle?
Yes.
Okay.
Uh, um,
Okay, very good. Sleep. What about the next one? Okay, yes, very good. Drink. Okay. Oh, Okay, yes, very good, Belle. That is correct. Now, let us have this one, okay? We're eating, we aren't drinking. What about in here? There?
They're drinking. They're
They
they're
aren't.
they're they aren't eating.
Very good. What about here?
They're they're
There?
they're
Okay. There's?
they're sleeping.
Okay, they aren't.
They
One.
they
They aren't.
they aren't playing.
Okay, yes, very good, Belle. What about here?
They're playing.
Is it there or where? Where?
We're playing. They're we
We?
we aren't sleeping.
Okay, yes, very good. There you have it, Belle. And I believe that would be all it for our class today. So next meeting we'll have the writing activity. Thank you so much for your time, Belle, and enjoy the rest of the night with your family. Take care, Belle.